are going to love the 2020 Toyota Avalon. Toyota Avalon, a solid performer with standard V6 power, lots of interior space, and a reputation for reliability. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power passenger seat, traction control, dual airbags, leather-wrapped steering wheel, alloy wheels, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, 8 speakers, power windows, rear window defroster, trip computer, heated front seats, compass, electronic stability control, security system, power moonroof, brake assist, remote keyless entry, panic alarm. Your new ride is just a phone call away.